Okay, so I sell stuff online, and I just sold some things online, and it was my first time selling on eBay, and I like to include 3D printed hearts, and I want to, so I'm going to model and design a heart, and then I'm going to 3D print it, and so I have something to put in every single package, because going above and beyond for every single customer is a good thing to do. It's a good business idea. So let's model it in Fusion 360. Alright, so I just finished modeling it, and so I'm going to print it to make sure that I like how it is, and then I'm going to either put it in the package and ship the thing out, or I'm going to redesign and then remodel. Also, since the last episode, I got a new printer. It's from Bamboo Labs. It's the A1, and this is where the poop goes and your failed prints, and then yeah, it works amazingly well. Right now I have black filament in it, and just overall a great machine. I don't have to tinker with it at all, and I can just print. Alright, so I just finished printing it, and it honestly looks pretty good, but I want to change it so then it is 1.5 millimeters tall and 1.5 centimeters tall. One of the two. Instead of 2, because 2 is a lot, and I don't think I need that much. And then I'm also just going to use the small one, because the small one is more the size that I wanted. I did scale it down about, I want to say 1.5, 0.5 maybe. Yeah, I think I scaled it down by 0.5, and so yeah, I say it was pretty good, but I'm going to change the model to be 1.5 inches tall, and I already changed it to be 0.5 scale as well, and I printed both, and then I saw that the bigger one wasn't, like, it's just too big. It took an hour and a half to print the big one and the small one, but the small one would take a little bit less time to print. But let's edit it now. Alright, so I say it was pretty successful print, and now I have something special to put in packages that I sell online. And I think I'm also going to maybe create like my own font, so then I can just type up notes or have a note that I'm gonna be able to mass print. So I also have something special to put in, and then I think that is gonna be an amazing gift, and I think that going above and beyond is good. Makes people want to give more 5-star reviews, which will help sales. And then also it's just fun to model and print, and I gotta learn how to use some tangent things on Fusion. And so yeah, I'd say it was a pretty successful print and a pretty good idea for a package gift. I'm also going to upload it to MakerWorld, Thingiverse, and Printables. So if you guys have any customers you want to ship some special something to, and a little extra thing in the box, and you can, I'm totally fine with you using it for that type. I'm totally fine with you using it for that type of thing. So yeah, they will be in the description if you want to print them.